In the vast realm of digital artistry, the role of an illustrator is paramount. An illustrator, through their mastery of various mediums and techniques, breathes life into ideas, concepts, and narratives, transcending the boundaries of imagination to create visual wonders that captivate and communicate. This passage delves into the multifaceted world of illustration, exploring its history, diverse forms, and the indispensable skills required to navigate this ever-evolving landscape. Illustration, as an art form, has a rich history dating back centuries. From the illuminated manuscripts of medieval times to the intricate woodcuts of the Renaissance, illustrators have played a crucial role in conveying stories and ideas visually. The evolution of printing technologies in the 19th century brought about a revolution in illustration, with artists like Gustave Doré and Thomas Nast leaving an indelible mark on the field. Fast forward to the digital age, and the role of an illustrator has expanded exponentially, with new tools and platforms providing unprecedented opportunities for creative expression. At its core, illustration is a form of visual storytelling. It goes beyond mere representation, aiming to evoke emotions, convey messages, and enhance understanding. The versatility of illustration is evident in its various forms, ranging from traditional hand-drawn artworks to digital creations using software like Adobe Illustrator. Each medium brings its own unique set of challenges and possibilities, allowing illustrators to choose the approach that best suits their artistic vision. One of the fundamental skills every illustrator must possess is a keen sense of observation. Whether depicting realistic scenes or creating fantastical worlds, an illustrator must have a deep understanding of form, color, and composition. Observational skills extend beyond the physical world, as illustrators often draw inspiration from literature, mythology, and cultural influences. The ability to distill complex concepts into visual elements is a hallmark of a skilled illustrator. In addition to observational skills, a solid foundation in drawing is essential for any aspiring illustrator. The mastery of line, shading, and perspective provides the building blocks for creating compelling and dynamic illustrations. Life drawing, where artists sketch from live models, is a time-honored tradition that hones these skills, enabling illustrators to capture the essence of the human form and movement. Moreover, the knowledge of anatomy and proportions is crucial for creating realistic and believable characters. As technology continues to advance, digital illustration has become an integral part of the illustrator's toolkit. Software such as Adobe Illustrator, Corel Draw, and Procreate offers a vast array of tools and features that empower artists to create intricate and detailed artworks. Digital illustration not only allows for greater precision and flexibility, but also opens up new avenues for experimentation with color, texture, and effects. Mastery of digital tools is, therefore, a modern requirement for illustrators seeking to stay at the forefront of their craft. Color theory is another critical aspect of illustration. Understanding how colors interact and evoke emotions is essential for creating impactful visuals. From the bold and vibrant palettes of pop art to the subdued tones of classical portraiture, illustrators use color strategically to enhance the narrative and convey mood. The psychology of color plays a significant role, as certain hues can evoke specific feelings or associations, adding depth and nuance to the illustrated story. Composition, the arrangement of visual elements within a frame, is the backbone of effective illustration. A well-composed illustration guides the viewer's eye, creates focal points, and establishes a visual hierarchy. Whether working on a single image or a series of illustrations, the ability to organize elements harmoniously is crucial for conveying the intended message. Composition is a dynamic skill that evolves with the needs of the illustration, requiring a balance of creativity and technical expertise. Storytelling through illustration involves more than just creating standalone images. It requires a holistic understanding of narrative structure. Illustrators often collaborate with writers, designers, and animators to bring stories to life. Sequential art, such as comic books and graphic novels, demands a particular set of skills as illustrators must consider pacing, panel layout, and visual continuity. Mastery of storytelling techniques allows illustrators to engage audiences on a deeper level, creating immersive visual experiences. The role of an illustrator extends beyond the realm of fiction and entertainment. Illustration plays a vital role in educational materials, scientific publications, and editorial content. Communicating complex ideas through visuals requires a blend of creativity and clarity. Illustrators working in these fields must possess the ability to simplify concepts without oversimplifying, ensuring that the visual representation enhances the audience's understanding. In the age of social media and digital marketing, illustration has found new avenues for reaching global audiences. Illustrators often collaborate with brands, creating visual identities, logos, and promotional materials. The ability to translate a brand's message into a visual language that resonates with the target audience is a highly sought-after skill. Illustrators in this domain must stay abreast of current design trends and consumer preferences, while maintaining their unique artistic voice. Professionalism is a cornerstone of success in the field of illustration. Meeting deadlines, communicating effectively with clients, and adapting to feedback are crucial aspects of a thriving illustration career. Freelance illustrators, in particular, must navigate the business side of their craft, handling contracts, pricing, and self-promotion. Building a strong online presence through a portfolio website and social media platforms is a common strategy for attracting clients and showcasing one's work to a global audience. In conclusion, the role of an illustrator is a dynamic and multifaceted journey that blends creativity, technical skill, and storytelling prowess. From the traditional mediums of pencil and paper to the digital realm of tablets and software, the tools may evolve, but the essence of illustration remains rooted in the ability to captivate, communicate, and inspire. Aspiring illustrators must embark on a continuous learning journey, embracing new technologies, refining their skills, and staying attuned to the ever-changing landscape of visual storytelling. In doing so, they contribute to the rich tapestry of human expression, leaving an indelible mark on the world of art and communication.